Hello student, in today's lesson we'll learn the Java Manual 6th program. This program is all about demonstrating method overloading. So method overloading is it's a part of polymorphism. Polymorphism is one of the OOPS concept in Java. So poly means many, morphism means forms. So polymorphism is many forms. Okay, so method overloading means performing the same action in different ways. So here in this program we'll see how we can achieve this using the Java. So here we created a class called overload demo. So inside this we have test method. So we're overloading the test method. So this method overload can be achieved by changing the number of parameters, different parameters, sequence of the parameters. So this method is without any parameter. So I'm displaying the simple message that no parameters. Next, we have one more method at a test which takes one parameter. So this test method take a as an integer value. System.out.println a. Okay. So next test method we have two parameters a and b. Void test, and we are displaying the value of a and b. So here without parameter, with one parameter, with two parameters, and next the last method is with one parameter, that is change in the data type. So here this test method also take one parameter and this test method also take the one parameter. But here it is taking the integer value and here it is taking the double value, and we are displaying that double A. Okay. So we created one more class. So inside the main method we need to create the object of the class. Overload demo ob equal to new overload demo. Next we need to call the all the overload method. So this ob is the object of overload demo. ob.test. So this will call the test method without any parameter, and ob.test with 10. So 10 is the integer value, and this will call the test method with integer as the parameter. So next ob.test 10, 20. So this will call the test method with two parameter of integer type. Okay. So next ob.test with 1, 122, 123.2, which will call the any double or float value test method. So here we have a double value method. This method will be called. Okay. So we try to execute the same program using Eclipse IDE. So here first we will create the class, new class, PRC underscore 6. So here we create one method, public void test. Okay, so this method without any parameter. System dot out dot println no, no parameter. So we'll create one more, public void test int a. So here we'll display the integer value. A is A. Okay. So next we will create one more method, public void test with two integer values, int A from int B. So display the value of A and B. A and B is so next we will bring void test double T. Double A. Double A is so make it as a only. Okay. So next include the main method. So we create the class object arg underscore 6 p equal to d p r j underscore 6 p dot test without any parameter, p dot test with integer stamp. Next p dot test, so we call the two integer values. Okay. Next p dot test double. So here we call okay. So just save this program and click on run. So here you get the output as no parameters, A is 10, A and B is 10 and 20, and double is 20.568. So this is method overloading. Okay, thank you students.